Hi, today we are going to solve the problem unique paths and its serial number is 62 on LeetCode. So the problem is there is a robot on the top left corner of a M cross N grid, and from here the robot will start moving and its destination is the bottom right corner, that is here the finish mark. So, and the condition here is the robot can move in right one block right direction and one block bottom direction. It will not move in the diagonal direction. Now, what we have to return is how many possible unique paths are there. I am just quickly going to discuss about the dynamic programming solution of this problem. So, let's consider a block this. The number of unique paths to this block are the sum of number of unique paths to reach this block and this block. That is to the block that I am pointing here. The number of unique paths to the block on the left and the number of unique paths to reach the block on the top. The sum of these paths is the number of unique paths to the white block. So it's quite easy. So let's move on to its solution. Here its solution. We will take a 2D array called DP and its size will be M cross N. Now we will initialize the top row of the DP array with 1 and the left corner, that is the first column, with 1, because the number of ways of reaching these blocks will be 1. Like the first this block, the number of ways of reaching this block is 1. Similarly, this block is also 1. This block is also 1. These first row, number of ways of reaching this first row blocks in this first row is 1, and number of ways of reaching the blocks in the first column is always 1. So that is what it is done here. This one is for the first row and this one is for the first column. Its value is 1. So now it's pretty simple. We will traverse the array from 1 to M and column from 1 to N, and dpij will be dpi minus 1, that is the left block to the current block, and dpij minus 1, that is the top block to the current block. So this is how we are solving this problem. It's top down, it's bottom up solution, and what will return is dp m minus 1 and n minus 1. This will be our output. Let's check this code on LeetCode. Yeah, it solved the problem. Thank you friends. For any query, please comment on the video. Thank you.